Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to automate boring website tasks like scraping data, collecting leads, checking prices, logging into dashboards, submitting forms, or creating AI-powered browser agents, but got stuck dealing with complicated scripts, broken selectors, and endless debugging, then today's tool is going to save you a ton of time. Meet Notte, a browser automation platform that lets you automate almost any website using natural language and visual demos. No coding required. And yes, it can even turn websites into callable APIs. Let's see how it works. Notte is basically an AI-powered browser automation platform. Instead of writing complicated Playwright or Selenium scripts manually, you simply describe the task, demonstrate the workflow, or point Notte at a website. Then it builds the automation for you. Think of it like ChatGPT plus browser automation plus API deployment combined into one platform. And the coolest part? Your automations can become schedulable workflows, reusable APIs, or AI browser agents. That's seriously powerful. Now let's talk about the feature, natural language automation. This is probably the feature most people will love first. You just type what you want in plain English. For example, find the pricing information on this page, or collect all Airbnb listing details from this website. Then Notte launches a browser session automatically and performs the task for you. No selectors, no setup, no coding headaches. You can literally watch the automation happen in real time through the live session viewer. That's insanely beginner-friendly. Demonstration mode. Now this feature is super cool. Instead of describing the task, you can simply perform the workflow manually. Just open a browser session, click through the steps, navigate pages, extract data, and Notte records everything. When you finish, it converts your actions into production-ready automation scripts automatically. This is huge for people who hate coding but still want advanced automations. And unlike many automation tools, Notte also includes session replays, logs, debugging tools, editable code, AI-assisted improvements. That makes troubleshooting way easier. Anything API. Okay, this might be the most impressive feature. Not as anything API can turn almost any website into an API endpoint, even if the website doesn't have an official API. That means you can scrape data, collect listings, monitor websites, automate dashboards, or extract information using a clean API endpoint. That's crazy useful for marketers, SaaS founders, AI agents, data collection, and automations. You simply describe the data you need, and Notte engineers the workflow for you automatically. This alone could save businesses hundreds of hours. Built-in AI plus stealth features. One thing I really like about Notte is that it's designed for real-world automation problems. It includes CAPTCHA solving, stealth browsing, residential proxies, session persistence, authenticated browser profiles, OTP and 2FA handling, fallback recovery logic. So your automations don't instantly break when websites change. That's a big advantage over many traditional automation tools. Right now, Notte is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. That means one payment lifetime access, no monthly subscription, which is honestly pretty attractive considering how expensive browser automation infrastructure usually is. The deal includes browser hours, concurrency, stealth automation, API deployment, automation tools, and more. There's also a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it without too much risk. The AppSumo reviews are actually pretty impressive so far. Some users said they automated workflows they delayed for years, built APIs for platforms without official APIs, and replaced complicated scraping setups entirely. A few users mentioned there's still some learning curve, and Google scraping can sometimes trigger anti-bot protections. But overall, most reviews are very positive, especially considering how new the platform is. Overall, I think Notte is one of the most exciting AI automation tools on AppSumo right now. It removes a lot of the pain that normally comes with browser automation. Instead of spending hours writing fragile scripts, you can simply describe tasks, record actions, deploy workflows, and run automations at scale. If you love AI tools, automation, scraping, APIs, or workflow optimization, this is absolutely worth checking out. And if you want to check out Notte for yourself, I'll leave the links below. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, like the video, comment below, subscribe for more AI and AppSumo reviews. See you in the next one.